Hey, this is Steve at Collectible Motor Cars of Atlanta. Today we got a 1966 Mustang Coupe. Under the hood you got a 302 Edelbrock carburetor, intake, nicely presentable car. You can take this to car shows. Aluminum radiator, electric fans, Willwood four-wheel disc brakes all the way around, stops on a dime. Very nice car to go cruise around with. If you're looking for something, to take to car shows, just go cruise, easily take the kids to go get some ice cream, this is a nice car to do it in. Power steering. Inside you got a nicely well done interior. You got a vintage stereo system, automatic transmission. Just a very nice car. We can start it up. It's got some nice rally style wheels on it that look nice. Just a really well done car. Two-stage paint. It's got just a nice metallic brown. Sounds good. You can go to the car, get some attention. It's got a nice throaty sound, not too obnoxious. You can still go out. It doesn't, wake up your neighbors or anything. So if you're looking for a nice preserved 1966 Mustang, this is definitely one to put on the list. And if you guys like these videos, please like and subscribe. We're doing them all the time and trying to put more and more out there. And hit us up with some comments and let us know how you guys are doing. Come see us if you're in the Marietta area.